Hello, creators! As a developer seller of plugins or theme for WordPress, one of the problems is to give the prospective buyers a feel and nitty-gritty of the product. For which, you need to show them and let them see the things from inside of setting page. But that part is not as easy as it looks. So, we have created an easy solution, a plugin that does all the hard work for you. Introducing WP Demo Reset Plugin. This plugin lets you create database snapshots and restore your demo to a clean state. 2. Run automatic resets every 15 minutes up to daily. 3. Use demo mode so visitors can try the site with a restricted account. 4. Clean only demo user content so your real pages and products stay intact. We'll go step by step. Install, create a snapshot, set the schedule, enable demo mode, and run a reset. Let's start. Step 1. Install and activate WP Demo Reset. If you have the plugin folder, upload it under Plugins. Add New. Upload plugin. Then install now and activate. After activation, you'll see Demo Reset in the admin menu with a backup icon. Click it to open the dashboard. This is your main screen. Reset status, last reset time, next scheduled reset, and quick actions. We'll come back here after we create a snapshot and set the schedule. Step 2. Choose how reset works. Go to Demo Reset, Settings, and open the Schedule tab. You'll see Reset mode with 2 options. Demo data only, recommended. The plugin deletes only content created by demo users, their posts, pages, products, comments, and media. Your real content and settings stay. No snapshot is required. Full Snapshot Restore. Restores the entire database from a snapshot you create. Use this if you want the demo to go back to an exact saved state every time. For most demos, keep demo data only. If you prefer Full Snapshot Restore, you'll need to create and set an active snapshot in the Snapshots tab. We'll do that in the next step. Step 3. Create a snapshot. You need this only if you're using Full Snapshot Restore mode. Go to Demo Reset, Snapshots. Click Create Snapshot. Give it a name, for example, Clean Demo. Add an optional description. The plugin will export the database and save it in the Snapshots folder. When it's done, you'll see the new snapshot in the list with its size and date. To use it for resets, click Set as Active. The active snapshot is the one used when you run a reset in full snapshot mode. You can have multiple snapshots and switch the active one anytime. Step 4. Set the schedule. Go to Demo Reset, Settings, Schedule. Turn on Enable Auto Reset. Then pick an interval, every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 2, 4, 6, or 12 hours, or daily. For a busy demo, every 4 or 6 hours is common. For testing, every 15 or 30 minutes is fine. Save the settings. From now on, WP Cron will run the reset at that interval. The dashboard will show next reset with the next runtime. Resets run in the background. You don't have to stay on the page. Step 5. Run a manual reset. Open Demo Reset, Dashboard. Click the big Reset Now button. Confirm when asked. The plugin will either clean demo user content, if you're in demo data only mode, or restore the active snapshot and optionally clean uploads. When it's done, you'll see a success message and the last reset time will update. Use this whenever you want to clear the demo without waiting for the schedule. Step 6. Enable demo mode so visitors can try the site with a restricted account. Go to Demo Reset, Settings, and open the Demo tab. Check Enable Demo Mode. Set demo session length, for example 30 minutes, so each demo session expires after that time. Under Plugin and Admin menu access, you control what demo users see. Use View only for menus they can only browse, and Edit access where they can add and edit content, for example products or posts. Save settings. After that, visitors can open your demo link or the public demo URL if you enabled it, and use the site as a demo user until the session expires. Step 7. Cleanup options. Go to Demo Reset, Settings, Cleanup. If you want resets to also remove files that demo users uploaded, leave Clean Uploads folder during reset checked. The plugin will delete only files for attachments created by demo users, not your existing media. You can add excluded paths so specific folders under uploads are never touched. Save when done. Step 8. Optional notifications. Open Demo Reset. Settings, Notifications. Check Notify on Reset and enter an email address to get an email after each reset. Success or failure. Step 9. Check Logs. Go to Demo Reset, Logs. Here you see every reset, snapshot, create or restore, and demo login. You can filter by action or status and export logs if needed. This helps you confirm that resets and schedules are running correctly. That's the full setup. Install, choose reset mode, create a snapshot if you use full restore, set the schedule, run a manual reset, enable demo mode and menu access, then optionally configure cleanup and notifications.